In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the roof drip molding on this Chevy Silverado. This is what sits right on the corner of your cab here. Let's get started. To get this off, ours is actually mostly ready to fall off, and that's why we're replacing it. As you can see, if I push on it, it just falls. So usually there is double-sided tape on the backside, which is supposed to hold this on. Once again, this one just fell off, but if you need a plastic trim tool to help you out, use that, get underneath here and just pry it off. If you need a heat gun to soften up the glue, you can also use that. At this point, I want to clean up this surface because obviously the new glue or double-sided tape will not stick to this. So take a rag or a paper towel of some sort, take off most of that, and then I'm going to use a spray cleaner that is safe for paint. Just going to wet this down a little bit, let that soften up the debris, and then gently wipe it off. Get this nice and clean. If there's any old glue here or double-sided tape, try to scrape that off. Now take the new piece and you'll see that it has double-sided tape on the back with this little tab that allows you to peel off the liner. So take that, peel it off. At this point it is very sticky, so make sure that you line it up properly before you press it down. And once you line it up down here to make sure it's flush with where the body line is on the cab, press it down the rest of the way, just like so. Give it a good squish. If you do this on a hot summer day, it might actually help you out because the glue is soft. If you do this on a cold winter day, well, it might not stick very well. So try to get this, the paint or the body nice and warm, especially the glue. And there you have it. That's stuck down. Do the same to the other side if you need to.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.